In the last video, we've discussed about binary conversions in Java. If you haven't checked that video out, I request you to check it out. In this video, we're going to discuss about if-else statement and taking user input from Java. So let's get started. Before we understand the if-else, let's look at an example. Let's look at this case. For example, if my stock prices increase, I'm very happy. Or else, I'm very sad. Okay, so let's see how we represent this on if-else statement in Java. See, let us look at the flowchart here. A condition is given. So if you look at the previous price, the condition is the stock prices increased. So if the stock prices have increased, if the statement is true, then we need to execute we will execute this statement. And if the given statement is false, we execute the rest of the code. Now let us see the syntax of if-else. Here you could see if condition, then you execute the true condition, then else the false condition. Now let us see on our Eclipse IDE how the if-else works. Now we've opened the Eclipse IDE. I've created a class called if-else. So let us write a simple program. Let's take int a equals 123, int b equals 908, two random numbers. Now we'll write a program where if the number a is greater, then it will print out that the number a is greater. If b is greater, it will print out the number b is greater. Okay, we'll see it using if-else case. So if a is greater than b, so a is greater than b is the condition. If a is greater than b, then sys out a is greater, else parenthesis. So if a is greater than b, then this is going to print the true statement. If the condition is not true, then it is going to print the else statement. That is else sys out b is greater than a. So what happens here? First of all, it will go through this two variables a and b, and it will check if is a greater than b. Oh no. If yes, then yeah, a is greater than b. If this condition is not true, then it will jump to the else and it will print this statement out. Okay. Now let us see what the output is. B is greater than a. So this is simply how this works. Now let's see how we take input from Java. For that, we need to take the scanner, and here instead of sc we can mention anything. So scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. So we have imported this class called scanner from java.util. So java.util is a package where the class called scanner is present. So we need to mention this. Okay, right now we'll see a program which when we give the input of our age, it will tell whether we have the right to vote or not. Okay, so for that, first of all, let's print out enter the age. And then for the age, in order to so we need to take input. So int age, will create a variable called age, and then sc dot next int. So what this does is it will take the input for the variable age. So here whatever you have mentioned, you need to mention the same thing here. If you take some other letters, for example, if you take a, then you need to mention a dot next int. And the other thing is, if it is float age, then if you take it, for example, instead of int, if you take float, then sc dot next float. I'm sorry, sc dot next float. If you take byte, then sc dot next byte. Here it should be byte. If you take the age, byte. So at present we are taking int. Now we'll write the if condition. If, in order to vote, we need to have age above 18 and above. So if age is greater than or equal to 18, this is the condition. If this condition is true, then this out, you have the right to vote. If the age is above 18, he has the right to vote. Else, if his age is below 18, then this is how grow up. Okay, so this is a very simple program. What it does here is, it will check the age variable and it will check whether it is greater than or equal to 18. If this first case is true, then it will print you have the right to vote. If this case is not true, it will jump to the else statement where it is written grow up boy. Okay, so let us check how this program works. See, it is asking enter the age. So I'll enter my age, which is 20. So it is showing you have the right to vote. So when I entered the age, it has passed through this condition. It has passed through the first condition and the age is about 20, so it printed out you have the right to vote. So in this video we've discussed about if-else statements and how to take user input from Java using scanner class. If you have any suggestions regarding this video, or if you aren't able to follow up something, please do ping me on my Instagram handle, or please do mention in the comment section below. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next one.